Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Nasir Sadiq from Trinidad. I'm a student of Ummul Ayman Islamic Boarding School. I have been studying at Ummul Ayman Boarding School for about 2 years. You know, Ummul Ayman is the best boarding school in Aceh because the curriculum in Ummul Ayman is integrated between formal education system and informal. Formal education system is the same with in public school, and informal education system is talking about learning the Salafi classical book. And the thing that made Ummul Ayman become the best is because of the language. And you know, the daily language that's spoken by Ummul Ayman students is Indonesian language, but most of them they speak English language, Arabic language, and Mandarin language. And for those who are interested to come to Ummul Ayman Boarding School, the registration will open every Saturday and every Sunday, whole February 2022. Okay, this is all from me. What I can tell to you, I hope this video will benefit for you. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next time. I end it by saying Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.